Want to create gig images that grab attention and convince buyers to click on your service? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to optimize your Fiverr gig images for maximum impact and conversion rates. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your gig images are often the first thing potential buyers notice. They can make or break your chances of getting an order. Let me show you how to create images that stand out and sell your services effectively. First, use high-quality, professional images with excellent resolution and composition. Avoid blurry or pixelated images. They make your service look unprofessional. Use good lighting and ensure your main subject is clear and focused. Create visually consistent branding across all your gig images. Use the same color scheme, fonts, and style to create a professional, cohesive look that builds brand recognition and trust with potential buyers. Include text overlays that highlight key benefits and features of your service. Use clear, easy-to-read fonts to communicate what buyers will receive, such as 3 concepts included or 24-hour delivery available. Showcase your best work samples in a visually appealing way. For creative services, include portfolio examples. For other services, use images that demonstrate your process or the results you deliver for clients. A crucial pro tip: always include a before and after example if relevant to your service. This visually demonstrates the transformation you provide. Also, create mobile-optimized images since many buyers browse Fiverr on their phones. Ensure text is large enough to read on small screens. And just like that, you've transformed your gig images into powerful conversion tools. Professional, compelling images not only attract more clicks but also build credibility and trust with potential buyers. If this guide helps you create more effective gig images, please give it a like. What type of gig image has generated the most interest for your services? Share your successful image strategies in the comments below. To continue growing your Fiverr business, subscribe for our next video on how to get more views on your Fiverr gig. Thanks for watching.